Yo, what I deal with? When I see how I sweat, me just a walk up and down like me lost in a foreign. See some hot sexy cat when me pass in a foreign. Jamaican accent, wagwan in a foreign. The girl them like me make them laugh in a foreign. You can't move like you dance, move smart in a foreign. Like Rodney Price, me well cross in a foreign. And I move with no fishes like no shark in a... Yo. You know say right about now, that is a track where me just a vibe up. Something new. But anyway, you see, for the people who they are foreign who don't have a vehicle and a walk, well, unfortunately, my nephew, there's some online working thing I go on, so I decided to make a chat. But this video is about, if you don't understand GPS, this have to make you understand certain things about the GPS. Because there are certain things me not used to, because you know, there Jamaica, we just hear say, just go around this and go up this and run at the corner, then you see a place where you look for. Unfortunately, me here say the Walmart just the right down there, so. You type in it on the GPS, it takes 5 minutes. But one of the reasons why I decided to make this video now is to make sure telling us if you're there foreign and I walk and I use GPS, remember to change the icon from driving to walking. Because this thing what I never do, I never change the icon. I stay 5 minutes and I start follow the track or what the GPS say. And I want to tell you, take me on the vehicle traveling route, then you have a walk route where it's supposed to give a shorter distance, yeah? Now, 5 minutes turn, quarter miles up the road to me I follow. You get to me I say, when we reach up the road, it tell me say continue for the next 1.5 miles. I say, yo, what go on? I want me do wrong. But anyway, when I come a foreign and understand GPS, make sure say remember to change. If I walk, you walk. Remember say to change the icon from driving. Because you have driving, you have bus, you have bicycling, you have walking. Put it on walk foot. You get to me and say because me kind of get worried in a sense somewhat because you hear them say Elsa about for touch grass in Florida. And really sunny and now, like blazing hot, scorching blazing, yeah. But me still a walk and I wonder if the storm I go forward one time. Me there on a journey. 7 in the year back, nothing about me and the storm arrive. We don't know what go on. Me just a walk up and down like me lost in a foreign. See some hot sexy cat when me pass in a foreign. Jamaican accent them love. What go on in a foreign? The girls them like me. Me make them laugh in a foreign. You as a gangster, you can't move with no fish, with no shark in a foreign. Like Rodney Price man cross in a foreign. Positivity we endorse in a. Yeah, some say the great way of the gateway while the sunshine we make. Big up all of the fans them all across the globe. Enough love to all of the people them all across the globe. Tell them precisely, great way is the gateway, the journey continues.